Explore the materials you can engrave and cut with the Evolase C series. Laser Max is a high-quality, laserable material with classic, non-glare, durable finish and a UV-stable acrylic core. It is ideal for professional signage, labels, badges, and display applications. The IPI Laserable Economic range offers durable 2-ply acrylic sheets with a thin top layer for precise, clean laser engraving. It is a practical choice for signs, badges, nameplates, labels, and everyday engraving work. ADA material is with a matte finish for professional tactile signage. It is ideal for offices, clinics, commercial spaces, and property applications and architectural model making. Acrylic is a versatile choice for signage, awards, crafts, displays, and creative fabrications. For stainless steel and other metals, Surmark and Thermark laser marking sprays deliver strong, durable results. They are ideal for tools, gifts, instruments, control plates, and a wide range of industrial marking applications. Anodized aluminium offers a durable, stylish engraving finish available in gloss or matte options for signage, labels, and control panels. Slate is a brilliant choice for truly thoughtful personalised gifts, from keepsakes and home decor to custom awards and presentation pieces. Laser engraving creates a crisp, permanent finish that feels both premium and personal. Built to CSI manufacturing specifications, the Evolase C series supports industries across the UK and Ireland, with local installation, operator training, after-sales support, maintenance, and technical assistance.